Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Welcome to Mike's Retro Tech and the Retro Tech Loft. Today's video is very brief. Atari STe 520. This is my Atari STe, which you've seen in previous videos. It's very dirty, it needs a bit of a clean I suppose, but you know, it's been well used, so I'm not bothered. What I've got today is I've got a new sticker, a new badge for the Atari STe, because as you may know from previous videos that I've gone through this, it is a 4 megabyte Atari STe. Now, it was very difficult to get hold of one of these stickers, but I managed to get hold of one from this guy. You can see that, MateoProceo. So that's MateoProceo. Oh, oh no, I have no idea. I'll put a link in the description from this if I can, where I got it from, and it was about, I think it was about £6, and it's a, by the looks of things, a reproduction, because it's slightly different. As you can see, the Fuji symbol is nowhere near as ridged, and the text doesn't really match. It's as close as damn it, but it doesn't match. So hopefully we'll try and get this, see if we can get that off here without damaging it, and then this has got some 3M tape on the back, so that should stick nicely. One thing I have noticed is that my Atari STe sticker still has the cling film on it, still has the plastic film. So if I can get the sticker off without damaging that, that might be good. Now I'm wondering, hot air or what? I don't know. It has 2 pokey holes in there which I could push through, but then it might damage the sticker. So I don't know. I want to try, but if I use hot air on that, it's probably going to melt a lot of the plastic. Honestly, I don't know. It's a tricky one, that. Can I get... No, I can't get that under it. Can I get a knife? Tell you what, I'll try a plastic spludger, because then I can use something that's plastic and it's not going to damage any of the metal or the other plastics. So that's a good idea, that. Let's see what we've got in here. One of those. No. What about the long black plastic spludger that I've got? That one there. No. Maybe not. No. Okay, so can I push it through from this side? Oh, yes. Okay. Ooh, okay. Some success with that. It's a bit bent, but Yeah, okay. Yeah, don't think that's bad. That's come off there. Excellent. Now look at the different colour. Oh, okay. So my Atari does need a good clean. To be fair, it hasn't been cleaned since I acquired it 5 years ago, maybe. So I take all the residual gunk off that. And then cleaning this baby will be for another day, because it will need not so much retro brighting, but I think just a good clean with a brush. In fact, can we make it any better? Yeah, I suppose it does look a bit better. That is the dust that's been on it since I got it. I've never cleaned it because I thought it was too fragile. What I might do, I might try a magic eraser and see whether that works. But anyway, that's for another day. Now, I want to take off this 3M tape. Like so. And then push this down. Like so. And there we go. A 4 meg STe in all its glory. So that now is my Atari almost complete. The last thing I want to do to the Atari, if I can find one, is get a 32 megahertz speed booster for it, maybe from the Exos website, but that's for another day. So this video was just about rebadging the Atari STe from 512K to 4 megabytes, and I think that looks pretty good. And as I said before, I will put the link in the description to the guy where I got this from eBay. And I'm sure it came from Portugal or somewhere from Europe. I don't think it came from the UK, but I'll put a link in the description for you. And on that note, that's the end of the video. I will be most appreciative if you would subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload more videos to YouTube. Leave me a like, share this video with your friends and families and colleagues, leave me a comment, and as usual, stay safe everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.